So, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and fellow attendees, it is with our great pleasure that I come back here today as a guest speaker. I extend my thanks to all those involved in organizing this press conference for giving me an opportunity to share Japan's platinum futures market. Japan Exchange Group (JPX) is one of the leading global exchange groups in the world. Under JPX, we have Tokyo Stock Exchange for cash equities market, Osaka Exchange for financial and commodities markets, and Tokyo Commodity Exchange, TOCO, for energy exchange. Precious metal futures, including gold, platinum, and palladium, are now traded at the Osaka Exchange OSD. When it comes to platinum investment in Japan, institutionals and retail investors have several trading ways. One straightforward option here is to purchase platinum jewelry, coins, or bonds directly from precious metal or jewelry shops, like the one outside of this hall. And this form of investment is familiar with Japanese investors, and there's a multitude of shops located throughout the country, such as in Ginza. Originally, the name stemmed from a silver market. Platinum futures being traded on the exchange is one of the traditional options in Japan to invest in platinum with a much smaller margin amount. And ETFs here also offer all types of investors easier access to the market and enabling them to trade through a stock exchange. Japan's platinum ETF market is the biggest market among Asian countries, with an asset under management of over 1 million US dollars. And alternatively, investors can also choose to engage in CFD, trading facilitated by brokers. Here shows 4 decades of precious metal derivatives history in Japan. It began with the launch of the gold futures market in 1982, followed by silver and platinum in 1984. So that we have almost a 40 years history for platinum futures market. And shortly thereafter, the launch of the market, the Japanese market became one of the most traded platinum futures markets, together with the New York Mercantile Exchange NYMEX and the CME Group, our very close friends there. And substantial demand for physical platinum in Japan and its price volatility makes the futures market an attractive trading venue for retail investors. Among JPX existing commodity derivatives, gold, platinum, and Dubai crude oil and rubber futures are actively traded. And due to global price movement and weakening Japanese yen, JPX gold futures recorded a historical high and expanded the trading volume this year, up over 40% compared to 2023 last year. Platinum futures are the 10th largest trading volume among the JPX listed derivatives, making them the second highest among the JPX derivatives or JPX commodities. And in line with the gold futures market, JPX Platinum also recorded a trading volume increase at almost 50% from the previous year. So as of 2024, JPX Platinum futures have acted as one of the leading markets worldwide alongside NYMEX, attracting participation from global players. A notable characteristics of JPX Platinum futures contract is the smaller contract size and the unit expressed in grams. JPX's smaller contract unit was specifically designed with domestic retail investors in mind, and they have historically been the primary market players. And similar to other JPX futures, the platinum futures contract is traded in the Japanese yen, and the most liquid contract, platinum standard futures, is centered on the fiscally deliverable basis, same as NYMEX. The chart here provides the price movement and trading volume of JPX platinum futures since January 2022. Driven by the global prices and the weakening Japanese yen, the JPX platinum prices reached a 1616-year high in May this year. And the trading volume became more active when the price reached its record high. And this slide shows the price performance of JPX listed gold and platinum futures. JPX platinum, highlighted in red colored bar or red colored chart, moved with relatively high price correlation with JPX gold before early 2023. However, JPX gold prices have reached much higher, driven by gold-specific factors, while the JPX platinum prices have moved alongside the USD JPY some values or movement. And here's a brief price comparison between NYMEX and JPX platinum. The JPY currency movement widened the price gap between JPX and the NYMEX futures since early 2023, as illustrated on the chart on the left-hand side here. To enable a direct comparison with NYMEX, I converted OSD platinum futures prices to ounce and in the USD on the right-hand side chart. While JPX platinum futures has a tendency to be traded at a discount compared to NYMEX, the spread levels between the two markets fluctuate due to market supply and demand conditions or some other factors. So let's chart bar. This shows the OSD platinum, and NYMEX shows blue lines. And here's a trend of trading volume and open interest, or some holding open position. The monthly average daily trading volume at our market has recorded 15,000 contracts in May, becoming almost double from the previous year. And the open positions, open interest, moved within a range of 25,000 to 50,000. This active trading volume and stable open interest reflect the market's ability to maintain market liquidity under varying market conditions or different market conditions. In the JPX platinum market, overseas investors hold the largest share of trading volume in our platinum futures at 57%, followed by domestic retail investors at 25% in 2023. Overseas investors participating in the JPX market are not solely focusing on JPX products, but they actually trade in multiple markets and products, such as some products as in NYMEX or some other markets as well. And their involvement in arbitrage trading across different markets helps align JPX prices with international markets, leading to a high correlation in the platinum prices. Also again, so retail investors in Japan play a crucial role in our commodity market. The trading behavior differs from types of investors, creating trading opportunities for all groups. The biggest takeaway from this chart is that professional players, such as overseas investors and commercials, and retail investors show an opposite trading tendency due to the differences in trading terms and styles. I cannot say so which is a wiser trader, but I would say professional players gain access to great market liquidity, while retail investors gain exposure to the international trading environment. As such, creating the robust and resilient marketing system. The share of open interest or holding open positions in JPX platinum futures from investors' types reveals an interesting trend here. Overseas investors, as I mentioned, represent half of the trading volume. Now, in terms of open positions, they hold 21%. The overseas players' tendency indicates that they are predominantly some engaged in short-term trading. And despite having a relatively smaller trading volume, commercial players hold the largest share of the total open interest in JPX platinum market, accounting for approximately 40% here. This also indicates a significant involvement in the market and the use of JPX platinum futures as an important tool for risk management and trading opportunities. Retail investors surprisingly hold around 40% of the total position, which is not typically observed in other financial derivatives at our market. As previously mentioned, the final settlement method for JPX platinum futures is fiscally favorable rates or manners. In the JPX market, platinum that is listed on a goods delivery list is eligible for delivery. Normally, the actual delivery amount of platinum in the futures, this reaches approximately 1,200 kilograms a year. But this year, backed by active market transactions, the delivery amount reached 800 kilograms only in February and April. And here is the future perspectives. I also used this slide last year, and the message is the same. The platinum that demand is growing, and sustainable. It's also some very good some sustainable measures, and platinum futures market. This is a tool for building a sustainable society. So these are key some messages from me. And we also have some website and also social network. Even we have WeChat. So if you wanna get some data and information from us, so please reach out to our need some information tools. In conclusion, as a vital component in green technologies and emission reduction efforts, platinum holds a key to a cleaner and more sustainable future. As such, the platinum futures market not only provides risk management or investment opportunities, but also contribute to attaining sustainable society. Following my speech, I assume that the Guangzhou Futures Exchange will show great progress on the upcoming listing of platinum and palladium futures market. I believe that by fostering collaboration between the Chinese market and global markets, including JPX and CME Group, we can make a significant contribution to the growth of the global platinum futures market. I'd like to say thanks to the event organizers again for holding this wonderful conference. I hope to see you all again here next year. Thank you very much.